Let's unbox the GOODaaa 3-pack portable charger. Each power bank is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Each one has a 10,000 mAh battery capacity. The charging dock lets you charge all 3 power banks at the same time, keeping them organized and ready to use. It also features advanced safe thimble charging technology for safe and reliable charging. Each power bank comes with built-in charging cables, so you don't need to carry extra cables for your everyday devices. The kit also includes sticker sheets, so you and your family can customize the blank side of each power bank. It's a convenient charging solution for home, travel, or sharing with family and friends. What's inside the box? Ports and controls. How to charge the power banks. Dock the 3 power banks into the charging dock. Next, connect the USB-C cable to the USB-C port on the charging dock. Then connect the USB-A end of the cable to the USB-A port on the charger adapter. Plug the charger adapter into a power outlet. The charging dock will light up the charging indicator on each power bank while charging. The power indicator light is blue. According to the user manual, this means the battery is about 75% charged. How to charge your devices. Press the power button to turn on the power bank, then pull out the built-in cable that matches your device and connect it to start charging. For more information, refer to the included user manual or scan the QR code.